Here is the question, and here is our mind map approach. We have seen this passage in earlier lessons, and this is the mind map we came up with. Our first bite was the first sentence of the passage. What did it do? It raised a question around whether this scientist can be considered a remarkable one. Our second bite is this part of the passage. What did this bite do? It developed a case for yes as the answer, as in why this scientist should be considered a remarkable one. Then we saw a contrast trigger, followed by what we can consider the last bite of the passage. And what this does is to develop a case for no as the answer, as in why this scientist cannot be considered a remarkable one. We completed the first 4 steps, and now we must go about reading the question stem. We need to figure out what our scientist was best suited for. In the fact-based and inference-based questions, figuring out the buzz phrase can really help in finding the context of the question. The buzz phrase here is best suited, and we remember a phrase like best serving in the last sentence of the passage. This sentence states that our scientist worked best serving as a liaison between the sciences. So we need an answer choice which is similar to working as a liaison between the sciences. And we have a very similar answer choice here, cross-disciplinary cooperation. Raising awareness of climate change has been discussed, but in a different context. Cooperation with other astronomers has not been discussed. Specialized laboratory research is something that our scientist did not do. Therefore, choice A is absolutely incorrect. Building public support for science education is on the lines of acting as an advocate for science education. This is something that has been discussed in the passage, but not in the context of what our scientist is best suited for. Therefore, this answer choice is also incorrect. This is a fact-based question. We had to refer back to the passage, but only the relevant part. The question was about what our scientist is best suited to. We found the context here in this phrase, best serving. We looked for an answer choice on the lines of this highlighted phrase. We found choice D to be similar in meaning. That's our answer choice.